Dear students, welcome to the online class. Myself, Mr. Ashok Kumar Mahapatra, assistant teacher, Sanskar Gurukul International School. We will study about the chapter 3, solving of linear equations. Solving of linear equations containing two variables that must contain, and that is linear equation. Linear equation means power is 1. So you see, suppose I will write 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and x minus y is equal to 1. So now you observe these are two equations. First equation is your 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. It is a linear equation. Why? Now because their power is 1. X power 1, y power also 1, and containing two variables, that is x and y. X and y are two variables. Second equation, x minus y is equal to 1, that also contains two variables. One is x, another is y. So you have to find out the value of x and y. You have to find out the value of x and y. So that is, we will read in this chapter solving of linear equations. So remember, in class 10 we will solve the linear equation only by three methods. One is called substitution method. One is called substitution method, another is called elimination method, and third method is called cross multiplication. So we have to solve the equation by three methods. One is known as substitution method, second is known as elimination method, and third one is known as cross multiplication method. How we can find out the value of x and y? It means value of two variables. So now you see. So first method, that is substitution method. So I will solve the problem that is by substitution method. So now you see, in case of substitution method, first you take the equation number 1. Already written, 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. This is the first equation. So from the first equation, you have to find out either the value of x, otherwise the value of y. From the first equation, you have to find out the value of x, otherwise y. Suppose I want to find out the value of x. So I will write 2x is equal to 7 minus 3y. It means 3y will come to that side. So I will write 2x is equal to 7 minus 3y. So what is the value of x? Now x is 7 minus 3y divided by 2. Again listen, in first equation you have to find out the value of x, otherwise the value of y. Any value you have to find out. So here I found the value of x from the first equation. What I got, that value I have to substitute in equation number 2. You see, equation number 2 is x minus y is equal to 1. What is the second equation? Second equation is x minus y is equal to 1. So now put the value of x. X value is 7 minus 3y divided by 2. Then minus y is equal to 1. So what I have done? I just put the value of x. I just put the value of x in equation number 2. So I got LCM is 2. So now you see 7 minus 3y 2 into that is minus 2y is equal to 1. So what I got? I got 7 minus 5y is equal to 2 into 1 that is 2 by cross multiplication. So minus 5y is equal to 2 minus 7 minus 5. So y value I got 1. So now you see, by putting the value of x, taking the LCM, I got y is equal to 1. Now, that value of y, you have to put anywhere. The value of y, you may put either in equation 1, otherwise in equation 2. So I will write here x is equal to 7 minus 3 into 1, that is 3 divided by 2. So 4 by 2, that I got 2. So I got the value x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. So this type of solving the equation is known as substitution method. It is known as substitution method. So I will give you some numericals that you have to do, that you have to solve only by substitution method. Only by substitution method. Next class we will discuss about cross multiplication as well as elimination method. So now you may write the questions that you have to solve the equation by using substitution method. So question is like this: 3x plus y is equal to 7, x plus y is equal to 3. Question number 1. Question number 2, 6x minus y is equal to 11, x plus y is equal to 3. So these questions you have to find the value of x and y by using substitution method. If any doubt arises in the Zoom class, you may contact with me. So, dear children, next class we will read about solving of equation, pair of equations by the cross multiplication method as well as elimination method. Thank you.